Welcome to MFL Kickoff, a game made to train precision and gross motor control. The goal of MFL Kickoff is to kick the ball through the field goal posts to collect all the coins and defeat the SF buzzards. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. To kick the ball, you will complete 3 steps. Choose how high up and down you want to aim. Choose how far to the left or right you will aim. Lastly, you will do a repetition down and up to kick the ball. Press Next. First, you'll choose how high or low you want to aim the ball in the goal post by bending up and flexing down. Once you have the height set for your kick, press the boot button to move to the next step. Press Next. Next, you'll choose the left or right position that you want to aim your kick. Bend up to aim to the right, flex down to aim left. Once you are happy with the position, press the boot button to move on to the next step. Press Next. Finally, you'll need to follow the green arrows and complete a down and up repetition to kick the ball. Press Next. The ball will soar according to how you aimed it. You'll gain 3 points for getting the ball between the uprights and bonus points based on hitting a bronze, silver, or gold coin. Keep kicking field goals to get and keep a lead over your rivals, the SF buzzards.